let go at about 4,000, 4,500 RPM, let go, and then it's gonna come down and go pop, 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 pop. And I didn't think it was gonna be like pop, 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 but it was like pop, 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 pop. And I'm like, holy shit, it was like, make no pop, 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 pop. I was like, oh my.
What'd you say? If you can't slide, you can't drive. That's it. That's just the rule.
Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. You can't drive.
Double S, I gotta flex a lot. I said slow, this white girl made me text a lot. I get the bag, got the pussy, then finesse a thigh. Sorry mom, I for being, I forget a lot. Downtown when I call with the reason. 4 bitches, I got one for every season. If I fall ice cold, then I'm leaving. Fire loud, one toke, and I'm wheezing. And I'm wheezing, riding with the heathens. Treat my shawty like a test, I be cheating. I be cheating, and I keep it even. Say you really popping off, I can't believe it.
Drop a bean in my Sprite for the demons, yeah. And I did it on the weekend. Going back and forth, but we ain't really speaking. No, I think I'm really tweaking. Do she fuck with me? Is she loving me? Is she fucking he? I don't know what that means, but I'ma buy her something cause she for the keeping. And how the hell I'ma pass up on the free thing?
What's up, everybody? Welcome to TOOFAST TV, and today we're gonna show you around my 2003 Nissan 350Z, the Humpty Dumpty Jumpy Mobile. You already know this drift missile. It's already going to another world. We call it Bruno Mars. Guys, first things first, we got this beautiful, beautiful grassroots oil cooler. We're getting a custom hood scoop made right now for that, so don't mind the hood. It's cut out nicely, but the hood scoop will direct all the air to the oil cooler. I have a plenum upper intake manifold coming from Kinetic, so we're waiting on that. As you can see there, I have my fuel pressure regulator, and you can see all my fuel lines running because we upgraded all the fuel lines. We got a fuel feed and a fuel return in this system. Normally on these 03, actually all these Nissan 350Zs, it's one line for your feed and your return. So I ended up getting rid of that whole system, and we ran a whole return and we got a feed on that bad boy there. A Rev 9 kit here that we actually had to modify to fit. It was one of the hardest kits to fit. We got the blow-up valve routed to let all the excess pressure straight into the turbo, so it cools that shit down. You already know. Keep it fresh, fam. Keep it fresh. Keep it going. Keep it going. Full 3-inch exhaust, Hartz exhaust, Brembo brakes, P37s in the front, you know, because we got to show off those big boys. Hot boy, keep it, you know what I'm saying? Keep it hot boy, right? Keep it hot boy.
You're not talking, we're shredding.
Yeah. See, double caliper. One for a normal braking system, one for a high tool. You gotta always keep that fresh. Always gotta keep that locking. Shout out to EBC Brakes for hooking us up with these high carbon rotors and these yellow stuff pads. Now I'm telling you, I felt the big difference. I'm telling you guys. Heart-shaped exhaust, because I'm an OG. You already know. 350Z M5 edition. If you didn't know, now you know, guys. This one ain't no normal 350Z, fam. This is the M5 edition, one of one, only one in Canada, I'm telling you. Now when we open the trunk, you thought that's it? You can hear that shit slurping as soon as we open that. You hear that? You hear that, man? No joke, bro, no joke. That shit is ready to shred, and I'm telling you, low fuel ain't gonna stop me.
First one hit.
You felt that, eh?
In my chest, bro. Now we're going for a drive.
As you can see here, I have all my AEM gauges. I have my OEM oil pressure gauge. Very important, full gauge, just to make sure everything is working, because I'm running a Haltech ECU, and you gotta make sure your voltage is always to par with this Haltech ECU. You know what I'm talking about, guys? Stage 2 clutch. Are you gotta buckle up for safety. Here's some backfires. Car's crazy. As soon as you floor it, like it smokes up, I'm telling you guys. I think we got the sauce in the back. You guys already know. We got no door on that side because the car's still a work in progress, but don't mind that. I'm telling you guys.
It's a drift car.
Yeah, but
you don't
still
need a passenger door.
No, but this one, as you can see here, it's like all OEM style, you know, so I'm trying to keep it like OEM
plus. OEM plus.
Hit that boost when I need to. And you know what I'm saying? Shred it away when that Lambo pulls up.
Lambo ain't got a chance.
I'm telling you, fam.
Woo!
Look at that smoke, bro. Can't see nothing. The crazy part is the car idles so quiet. Like, I always think that it shuts off. But yo, get out, you can see that smoke. Yo, I'm gonna open the trunk.
Holy shit.
Alright. That's the way I'm telling you, bro. That tire really smokes up.
Yo, this is a really hot barbecue, guy.
This is a really hot barbecue.
Really hot barbecue.
You got smoke coming out of everywhere. I'm telling you, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because I got some holes right behind the corner over there, right where the tire is.
It's probably burning rubber in here somewhere.
No. It's just enough smoke, man. It all goes inside the car. What I want to do, I want to drill 4 holes here.
Smoke vent?
And let it all go out through there. Yeah, bro. I'm telling you, this thing shreds, guys. Look at the fucking marks. Shanene on Denene.
All these marks are from that Z.
Just right now, bro. Look at that. That right there, that's proximity, guys. Proximity.
And that is piece of tire.
Alright, don't worry about that. Clear the ground on that. Why, did I shake the ground?
No, watch.
Man ripping off the ground out of the ground.
Hey, Ricardo, how was that?
He already beat
How was it?
Not with me inside.
Come on, one more ride. Come for a ride. Why, man? Come for one ride.
No, not at all.
Why? Last time it was fun.
It'll be fun.
Yeah, it was fun for everyone. What do you mean? Okay, Senor Ricardo, stay safe, brother. See you tomorrow.
See you, Ricardo.
Well, as you guys see, my angle really dangles. my angle really dangles. My T37s are blessed. The car's still smoking from the inside. You know, the most important part is it's not smoking under the hood. You know what I'm saying?
We want smoke everywhere but here.
Yo, you heard us all around the block. Yeah, ba, 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 ba. This guy, that. Yo,
Tony, how do we sound coming in?
Like an AK47. ATF's gonna be here again.
This thing's a beast.
Hey, take him for a drive.
I'll get an outside shot this time. Yo. Heli.
Hold it down, hold it down, hold it down.
Heli.
Helicopter? Okay,
Yeah.
that's it, that's it.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you...
yo, that shit was. It's a black chopper.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys,
This car shreds. Yo, I think they pulled up to watch some drifting. They saw that we were done. Well, technically, we just shat our pants, so we parked it up, and I think they dipped, bro. They're on their way, man.
They're gone. Can't even see them no more.
But it's definitely the cops, bro. They heard the two-stepping, man. I'm telling you guys, that shit didn't sound normal. When it backfires, like...
It sounds like a
I didn't
gunshot,
get to
no
drive
joke.
this car that much, and yeah, Anu really just took it on a nice river. When you let go of that, like you just floor that second gear. Is the way DMT tuned it. He told me, he's like, you're gonna give it pretty much full throttle and let go at about 4,000, 4,500 RPM. Let go, and then it's gonna come down and go pop, 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 pop. And I didn't think it was gonna be like pop, 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 but it was like pop, 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 pop. And I'm like, holy shit! It was like no, pop, 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 pop. I was like, oh my! It wouldn't stop, bro. I'm telling you. I like take that in. How I didn't even really like yeah, the car is warm, but it's like if you take it on a nice rip and really warm it up, I feel like it'll pop some more like fucking crazy pops. You know what I'm saying? We actually realized that we need to run a catch can because we're getting a lot of blow-by oil going through the PCV, and right now we have it routed to just atmosphere, so it's just squirting out. Run it to a catch can, that way all the fluid has somewhere to go. That being said, guys, shout out to you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You already know. Shout out to my brother Anu. He shoots some crazy videos. Yeah, TOOFAST TV. What? TOOFAST TV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Gangish. So high off this rubber.
You're laughing against every time.
You can't drive. It is what it is.
Check out my, oh bro, did we get my heart-shaped exhaust? Yo, this one is the broken heart. This is the broken heart because
Two-step brakes hearts.
Yeah, two-step brakes hearts, you know. And then this is like just to show you guys that there's like, we love you all, you know. There's always good hearts, but then there's always that broken heart, because you know what I'm saying. Two-step, it's gonna break my heart one day and break my motor. You know what I'm saying? Well, yo, shout out to my boy. He's getting me a spare motor. You already know, so we're Gucci. As soon as we blow this engine, guys, stay tuned because we're gonna be showing you how to swap the engine.